Modular cabinets have been in this industry for more than 15 years. We want the local residents to also enjoy the high quality, more durable and eco-friendly products. Hi, I'm Xiying. I handle both sales and design at Meerkat Home. In my daily job, I'm introducing products to my client and I'm working closely with my designers to provide both aesthetic and functional products to my clients. So actually, carpentry work contributes around 40 to 60% of your total renovation work. But most of the people, they still using the local carpentry one. The local carpenter, they will bring the cabinets body to your home and using the glue to put the laminates on it. The good things and advantage part is it's quite flexible and the working procedure is like relatively shorter compared to the modular cabinet. But the downside is the environmental grade one is the concern part. So usually you will smell the pungent smell, which consists the harmful chemistry in the cabinet. So the reason why I choose modular cabinets is because modular cabinets, we all using machine-made material, so it's more eco-friendly, and the formaldehyde is close to zero, and it's quite good for kids, pregnant women, and it's also good for our health. Our modular cabinets are all produced using machines. That's why they can have more stable quality and it's more durable. Modular cabinets have been in this industry for more than 15 years. It's quite popular in China, Japan, and other countries. However, in Singapore, due to the land resources, expensive human power, so we don't have the factories here. The reason why we want to bring these products to here is because we want the local residents to also enjoy the high quality, more durable and eco-friendly products at a more affordable price.